Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the AIYIMA A20 2.1 channel power amplifier. This incredible device promises to elevate your audio experience to new heights, and I'm here to put it to the test. From its sleek design to its cutting-edge features, the AIYIMA A20 is an audiophile's dream come true. So, let's dive in and see what makes this power amplifier so special. First off, the AIYIMA A20 boasts reference-grade performance, achieving an exceptional 116 dB signal-to-noise ratio and an ultra-low 0.002% THD+N. What does this mean for you? It means you'll enjoy pristine, uncolored sound reproduction with absolute clarity. Every detail of your music will shine through, from the deepest bass notes to the highest treble frequencies. Whether you're a music lover, a gamer, or a home theater enthusiast, the AIYIMA A20's exceptional sound quality will transport you to a world of pure audio bliss. Another game-changing feature of the AIYIMA A20 is its professional 2.1 system hub. With an adjustable high-pass filter, you can tailor your sound to perfection, protecting your main speakers from bass distortion and dramatically improving mid-range clarity. This feature is a total game-changer for system integration, allowing you to create a powerful and articulate 2.1 system that will leave you breathless. Imagine being able to fine-tune your sound to your exact preferences, with the AIYIMA A20's intuitive controls making it easy to achieve the perfect balance of bass and treble. But that's not all. The AIYIMA A20 is also designed with audiophile-grade features and flexibility in mind. With bypass mode, you can use the amplifier with an external preamp, giving you even more control over your sound. The plus 3 dB gain switch allows for seamless source matching, while the XLR/RCA input toggle and LME 49720 op amps ensure that you're getting the best possible sound quality. And with the swappable op amps design, you can customize your sound to your heart's content. The 12V trigger also ensures seamless integration into automated systems, making it easy to set up and use the AIYIMA A20 with your existing equipment. Now let's talk about build quality. The AIYIMA A20 is built on a 4-layered gold-sunk PCB, guaranteeing superior signal integrity and long-term reliability. With high-end components like German WIMA capacitors and Japanese Rubycon capacitors, you can trust that your amplifier is built to last. The premium build and components of the AIYIMA A20 are a testament to the manufacturer's commitment to quality and excellence. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or just starting to build your home audio system, the AIYIMA A20 is an investment that will pay dividends for years to come. Last but not least, the AIYIMA A20 is part of the AIYIMA high-performance ecosystem, effortlessly connecting with the AIYIMA T22 preamp via the 12V trigger. This creates a one-touch, fully balanced, high-fidelity system that combines tube warmth with solid-state power. Imagine being able to experience the rich, warm sound of tube amplification, combined with the precision and clarity of solid-state technology. It's a match made in heaven, and the AIYIMA A20 is the perfect partner for your audio journey. In conclusion, the AIYIMA A20 2.1 channel power amplifier is an absolute powerhouse of a device, packed with features that will take your audio experience to new heights. With its reference-grade performance, professional 2.1 system hub, audiophile-grade features, and premium build quality, this amplifier is a must-have for anyone serious about sound. So what are you waiting for?